Hello guys, we got The Strangers Pray at Night Unweighted. Also includes a infant ending in the movie version from the movies. Here's the front, side, the back. Family road trip makes a dangerous turn when they arrive at a semi-model home park to stay with innocent find mystery under the cover of darkness. Three masked psychopaths pay them a visit to test the family every woman as they struggle to survive. Jonathan's Roberts, though sharp driving their 47 miles down, was a smash hit. Donuts says horror film feature Joshua Hancock, Barry Nelson, Mountain Hudson, and Rose Thompson as part of the 2006 classic The Strangers. That's what the DVD website. There's no code. Let me check the disc real quick. What's amazing to me so that's my Strangers Pray at Night unweighted, also the weighted R version DVD unboxing. You guys have a nice day.